Today learn about how to uninstall MongoDB community server, MongoDB Compass, MongoDB shell completely in your PC or laptop on Windows 10 and 11. Windows search box lo apps and features enter. First one, apps and features. Select apps and features, complete page display. Middle section lo scroll down. MongoDB community server related 3 tools display. MongoDB 8.0.5 SSL 64-bit. Second one, MongoDB Compass tool. Third one, MongoDB shell. First one select. Right side second button, uninstall, click. Uninstall, click again. Uninstallation process start. Wait and here few minutes. MSI window lo first button, yes, click. Second one, MongoDB Compass, select. Second button, uninstall, click. Again uninstall, click. Next third one, MongoDB shell, select. Second button, uninstall, click. Again uninstall, click. Close the window. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side this PC option select. First one, local disk C, open. Third folder, program files, select, open. MongoDB folder select. Keyboard lo shortcut key shift delete, yes, click. First button, continue, click. Next close. Third step, Windows R key press, percentage local app data percentage, enter, OK, click. MongoDB folder select. Keyboard lo shortcut key shift delete, yes, click. MongoDB Compass select, shift delete, yes, click. Next address bar lo second one, app data select. Third folder, roaming select, open. MongoDB select, open, including folder mongo sh. MongoDB select. Keyboard lo shortcut key shift delete, yes, click. Second folder, MongoDB Compass tool related folder select, shift delete, yes, click. Mouse right click, refresh. Next close. Edit system environment variable. First option select. System properties window lo last one, environment variables button select. System variables section lo path option select. Second one button, edit, click. Select the MongoDB sh and DB server, 2 path creations. Delete, select, delete. OK, click, OK, click, and OK, click. Next, system restart.